Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe for more videos. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. We really appreciate it. So as you can see through this video, it's just a review of this foundation that I found through an advert on Snapchat. I mean, I don't normally buy things that are advertised online, especially like on Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook, but I really wanted to try this foundation just to see how it is, you know, like just to try something out there, just do something that's different, try something different and actually see if it works. So what they do is okay, let me introduce the foundation first. This foundation is like, it's called the, I don't know how to pronounce it. Like, I had to find how to pronounce this word because it's just so difficult. This one is called the Makiage, something like that. Makiage. It's called the Makiage, New York. So it comes in a little box like this. So I found this. I was scrolling through Snapchat basically, and I just saw this advert, and obviously people were trying it, people were trying colors, and I was like, oh, okay, let me just try it. So what you do is just fill out like a questionnaire about your skin type, like if you've got dry skin, oily skin, and just what type your skin is. They give you different images to click on which color your skin is, and if you've got dry skin or if you've got oily skin, and then they match your results with the foundation, and then they give you a shade. They'll recommend a shade for you and say this is the one for you. So that's what I basically did. I've got dry skin, I've got dry and oily skin, so the options as well for that. So I filled out the questionnaire and it gave me the results, and then it said I'm a shade, I don't know what shade is this, let me have a look. So it said I'm a shade 230. I'm a shade 230. So that's what they recommended for me, and I thought let me just try it and see what it's all about. So the packaging, it comes in a box like this, and then the inside you've got like these little black things. I thought that was cute. And you get like your foundation. And what they do, if you're a first-time buyer, you can subscribe to their page or to their website. You subscribe like on their website, and they'll send you like next foundation in the next 4 months or so. So to do that, you have to subscribe to their website, and then you get like a free makeup brush. So I just subscribed, and then I got a free makeup brush, and the foundation is about 20 something, 22 pounds, 29 pounds, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'll have a look and just put the link down on the description box below. So I wanted to do like a review. Like, I've done my makeup, I've done my eyebrows, and I've done my eyes and put eyelashes on. The only thing that I didn't do was put on foundation. So I wanted to do like a review with you guys just to see how this thing is like, you know. Let's hope it goes well with my skin because I'm gonna freak out if it doesn't. That's just like a lot of money, almost 30 pounds for nothing. What I normally do before applying foundation is put a primer on, and this is the primer that I'm using. It's called Primed and Ready from the collection. So yeah, okay, so I'll put my primer, and yeah, I love this primer. It just makes my skin look really smooth, like, yeah. And the next thing that I do, I don't know what is this, guys. I've got like a black spot here. It is really annoying. I think it's like a mark. It doesn't come off, it's just there. So yeah, what I do next is to apply a concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade of Espresso. I'm almost out on this concealer. I need, so just a little bit, like coverage, just to cover the black spot. I probably should have tried the foundation first, just to see if it does like the full coverage, you know, like it does like the whole coverage thing without putting concealer first. I think I'm gonna rub this off and put the foundation first. Okay, I'm gonna rub this concealer off just so we know if it's able to cover like these black spots and all this, you know, without me having to apply concealer, because normally I have to apply concealer and then apply foundation just so I get rid of these spots. But I need to know if it's like a full coverage. So in order for me to do that, I have to take the concealer off. This is the foundation. It comes like a little cute box and it says "woke up like this." It's their slogan, I guess. So this is the foundation, and my shade, as I said before, is 230. Before, when I was trying to open this, I swear to God, I kept trying to twist it, but you have to pull it to open. And I like that it's like a pump instead of like, let me show you the Estee Lauder that I normally use. This is the one that I normally use. You have to twist it and it's like this. It's not really a pump. So I like that this one, you just pull it, and I like that the fact that it's a pump. I really like that. So this is what it looks like, guys. Look at that. It's a little bit darker on my, obviously because my hands are lighter than my face, so on my hand it looks like it's a bit darker, but it's not. It's actually my shade. So let's just see how it goes. Guys, I'm trying this with you, okay? And I've got the brush here. I actually like their brush. Let's see how this goes. I'm gonna use a mirror so I can see what I'm doing, so bear with me. Oh my God. Okay, this foundation, I'm gonna put one side just so we can see the difference and what it looks like. This is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. This is by far, I think, the best foundation ever. Look at that. It covered everything. And this is the side without makeup, and this is the side with makeup. But you can hardly tell the difference, except for obviously maybe the smoothness or whatever. This side looks a bit harsh and this side looks smooth, and it's a full coverage, and it's got that matte finish. Like, you don't even need a powder with this, I don't think. Oh my God, they really got me this time. They really did. I am so impressed. I love it. And the brush as well is so smooth. Like, oh my God, it is nice. The brush that I had previously was this one. It's the brush that I've been using for years from Real Technique, and it's really nice, but it's getting really old. I've been using it, I think, for more than 5 years, I swear to God. So that shows how good this brush is. So now I've got this new one, and it is so smooth. So what I'm gonna do is just apply everywhere else now, because I've done this side. And I mean, guys, don't you just love this? It covered all the black spots that I've got. These spots here, like I've got like black spots as well. So that as well, the form that you fill online, it also asks you those type of questions. What your skin color is like, if you've got like 2 different shades as well of your face as well. You know, some people underneath their eyes, their eyes are darker or red or whatever. There's also that question as well. But my skin is pretty much even everywhere except for black spots, so I needed something that's got like a full proper coverage, you know. And I love it. They really got it. Oh my god. I'm gonna continue and put everywhere else and just see how it looks afterwards. If I'll need to apply foundation. I mean, guys, as soon as you apply it, like, look, it just goes into your skin, like proper deep into your skin, and it just covers everything. Maybe it will cover this black spot that I've got. Let's have a look. Let's see, shall we? You see, I get oil. My eyebrows get really oily, like, so I tend to use powder on my eyebrows after I'm done. Oh, I just spoiled the eyebrow. Covered my black spot. You can't see it. It's gone. It covered my black spot. Yeah. It always looked like I've got eyeliner all the way up to here, but it's just that I've got a black spot there. Oh my god. Like, wowza. Wowza. I'm impressed. I'm in love with the stripper. Oh, what's the foundation called? I'm in love with the Ilma. I can't even pronounce it. I'm in love with the Makiage. Yes. I mean, I love it. Honestly, this is the best foundation I'll probably use. This is my beauty mark. It didn't cover my beauty mark. I was born with this. So it's like a birthmark, I guess. I don't know. Let me try and see if it'll cover, because I just went with the brush. I didn't really put like proper foundation. Oh wow. See? My beauty mark is gone. Guys, my beauty mark is gone. But I love my beauty mark though. That's why I never cover it all the way. But now it's gone. Guys, I think I found my foundation. This is amazing. It says flawless base foundation. It is proper flawless. It is flawless, honestly. Like, I just love how it sinks into my skin and makes my skin look natural. Like I don't know now, because maybe because of the lighting you can tell that I've got foundation on, but like face to face, oh wow. Wow. My skin is so smooth. Really smooth. I'm so impressed, guys. Really impressed. Like, if I'm looking at it here, it's got that matte finish. Like, I don't think I need like a powder on top of it, because the powder that I'm using is the Estee Lauder as well. Oh my god, guys, you have done it, guys. You really did it. Like, you wouldn't think that like through a questionnaire that someone can actually match up your skin color through your answers. Like, normally you just have to go to the shops and then they'll tell you you have to try on the foundation, and you have to try it on before you can purchase, you know. But online, like, and just buying just like that without seeing my face in real life, that is pretty amazing. They're good. They're really good. This is now my go-to foundation. If you want to try it, I'll put the link below, and then you can fill out the questionnaire and just try it for yourself. Don't just take my word for it. Just try it for yourself, because as you can see, guys, this is pretty amazing. And I've got no powder on. Like, and my skin doesn't look oily at all. I've got no powder. I normally have to apply powder on top just to keep my skin not oily, because I did answer that I've got oily skin. So oh my god, I'm impressed. I am really, really impressed. I love it. But what I'm gonna do now is just to fix my oily eyebrows using the powder. I'm not gonna put powder on my face because I want to see what it's like later on. So I'm just gonna put here underneath my eyes. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, let's just see which lipstick that I can apply with this. I've got these two lipsticks, a red one, and I always use this lipstick, like, so maybe I should try this one, right? Yeah, I think I'll go for this one. Okay, we are done, guys. This is amazing. Guys, I love this foundation, honestly. We are ready for the day. This is amazing, guys. I love this foundation. I'm really impressed, like really impressed. What do you think, guys? Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in to my video and watching me try this foundation, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you want to try it for yourself, as I said earlier, I'll leave the link below so you can try it, and just don't take my word for it because you never know. But try it. Like, if you've got different skin tone than mine, just try it and see if it works for you, and let me know if you tried it. Let me know in the comment section below how it went for you. But as for myself, I really like it. I'm really impressed. I'm in love with this foundation. It's gonna be my go-to foundation from now onwards. Like, yeah. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.